Let's see. Okay, it's not wanting up. Let's come on now. Not wanting to line up. I think I pushed it in too far. Okay, there we go. Okay. So note, just push it in just enough to where you can line it up. There we go. There we go. So in essence, this should go like this. Okay. Just doing a test fit. Actually goes like that. Okay. And bottom pin puts tension on it. Slide that little devil in there. Tap that in with a hammer. See the top one. There we go. So that's it, guys. That's how you replace front brake pads on your 2019 Charger Hellcat. Pop this 13 mil bolt back in this side. It's actually pretty easy. You don't have to remove the caliper or nothing, so it's actually pretty nice. Hopefully I'm not boring you guys, but this gives you an idea of how to do it. It's actually pretty simple. Get rid of the brake dust, get rid of the squeaking. I'm not sure about the clicking yet. We'll see about that. Not sure how tight this thing goes. I'll just do it as tight as I can go. There we go there. Yeah, I think that's it, guys. Shit. Apply lubricant to these surfaces on both sides. Okay, I didn't apply the lubricant. I wonder if that's going to be an issue. Yeah, I'm not sure, guys. I didn't, this is apply lubricant to these surfaces on both sides. Or it makes contact with the actual caliper to the rotor. Let's see. Let's try this again, guys. I want to make sure I'm doing this right. Might as well, I'm already into it. Just pop these pins out real quick. Let's see. Let's make sure. 13 mil. I guess that's my first time doing these ones. I guess I should have read the instructions before. At least you guys are learning with me. We are learning together. So make sure I understand this right here. They only give me one pouch for both pads, right? Both sides, yeah. So they want me to apply it. I guess I'm just gonna put it on the where it's making contact with the pistons, I guess. It doesn't really say. I mean, it doesn't really say, guys, so I'm kind of guessing from previous brake installs that I've done on different cars. I mean, you know, I guess we'll see. What the hell. Doesn't give you very much, so it must not need much. Alright guys, there we go. I think we're back in business. Too much. You definitely got to line these little suckers up here. Hopefully you can see. So I was trying to get used to my new GoPro hat cam. Hopefully I'm not giving you guys a weird view. Line that sucker up here. Boom. There you go. Boom. There we go. This one. Boom. Boom. Okay. Let's see what we got here. Okay. There's the middle one. 13 mil. Alright guys, I think we got it now. a little bit of tension on this. Obviously, I don't really think I need to record the other side because it's going to be the same as this one, just on obviously on the driver's side. So I don't think I really need to record that. So we'll see what we got here. Alright, that's all good. It's actually pretty simple. Not too shabby, guys. Not too shabby. Just tighten up our 13 mil. Should be good to go. All right, guys. So I guess we will come to the wheel, put another glove on because obviously I ripped this one. Okay. Okay, we'll do brake cleaner, and we will do the greaser. Obviously, I'm just trying to get all the brake dust off. Not trying to do like a major detail sorry, on the rims. Just trying to get the brake dust off. This should do most of the trick. Okay. Let's wipe off our rotors again. A little bit of greaser on there. Well, that's it, guys. That's a Power Stop carbon fiber ceramic brake install on a 2019 HELLCAT Charger. So hopefully that helped you guys out. And if you want to link description in the comments what you guys felt about that install, and if you have any questions or concerns, definitely give me a jingle. Hopefully you like it and subscribe, and we'll go from there. All right, guys. I think that's it for today.